They call me Arzu, so even after 10 years, male superstars, they earn what 100 CR for a film.
100
80
CR.
100 CR, like somebody like Ranbir Kapoor or Shah Rukh or Rajni sir. Movies में male actors end up earning much more than female actors. TV में female actors end up earning much more than male actors.
Being in showbiz, after that high, is there a pressure कि मुझे वो ही high maintain करना है?
स्टार प्लस के लिए बात करने में क्या जा रहा है, लड़की का मैसेज है, तू कर ले बात करने में क्या जा रहा है तेरा.
दिया और बाती में जो आरजू थी, how far have you come from that girl to the woman you are now?
Be in Bombay, meet the casting guys, groom yourself, attend some casting classes. उसमें you get to have contacts, reach out to those people, give constant auditions.
How is the money?
Katrina's first film was with Mammootty sir down south. She was telling me she was working with Mammootty and that she ended up losing a gift which Salman gifted to Katrina. So there was a conversation I'm having with Salman on the sets of Bharat when I first met him. Because people were like, would you be a part of Big Boss?
Salman Khan is another legend, I'd say.
Yes.
So what was he like?
हम हिंदी पिक्चरों की बात करते थे कि 100 करोड़ की 200 करोड़ की. अरे वो लोग एक रीजनल लैंग्वेज की पिक्चर इतने में बनाते हैं. आई वाज गेटिंग बैक टू बैक ऑफर्स, तमिल मूवीज, तेलुगु, मलयालम, but everything stopped during COVID. Recently done a film with Suresh Gopi, who is our tourism minister now. Especially the ones who were not very supportive and who were cruel. I think I would be very grateful for them.
Hi guys, we have often heard of multi-talented people who have multiple skills and they have such careers also. So today we have with us someone who's just like that. She has been the former captain of India basketball and netball team. She has also represented India during the Commonwealth Games. From there she went to cinema. She switched her career to cinema and she became a household name. Yes, you all remember आरजू फ्रॉम दिया और बाती. दिया और बाती हम इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा एंड मोस्ट लव्ड, मोस्ट पॉपुलर डेली सोप था. It is 10 years of Diya aur Bati, and today we have with us Prachi Tehlan. You know her as the Diya and Bati girl. She's Arzu. Yes, she is Arzu and she's grown up, of course, since then. Hi Prachi.
Hi.
We're so happy to have you with us.
My pleasure.
You are back home
Yes.
in Delhi.
Delhi is always home, yes.
Yes, and you know you've been a Delhi girl, then you moved to Mumbai, and then now you're based in Kochi. That's what I've read about you on Google.
Yes.
So how are these three worlds different?
Very different.
Yeah.
Very different. I think coming from a sports background, it was always like I never saw Delhi like this is the place I belong. Like I've always seen India as a place that I belong. So if you put me in any part of my country, I think I can survive because I take all places as my own and I take all places as very personal to me. So
I'm sorry, that's a bit politically correct.
No, but that is exactly how I feel. And honestly, recently I came across this person who is an ex-army man. And I discussed this similar feeling with him of not feeling an outsider being a North Indian staying in South. And he had the similar feeling. And he told me, Prachi, this comes with when you represent your country at an international level or you fight for your country as an army person. This is a feeling that is very common for all. So then I realized, okay,
So
it's not
coming from
just
there.
me. It's not just me. It's coming from that patriotic feeling of being an Indian, and we don't end up seeing just a place of where we are born. Obviously, we are linked to it. We are born and brought up there because we never had a choice. But I feel that overall, it's it's my country and I belong everywhere. Like,
That's very, very nice thing to say,
yeah, and that's exactly
yeah.
how I feel also, to be honest. And since a very young age, I still remember when I was not into in sports, जब मैंने sports खेलना शुरू भी नहीं किया था, I remember I was the only one in my family. मैं हाथ से चावल खाती थी, छोटी सी बिंदी लगाती थी, मुझे किसी ने सिखाया नहीं. But these were all very
Very southern.
southern part of our country traits, and I have always been like that. And now I've, all the more got an opportunity to explore that side of me in a much more, in a way which is much more vast. So, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
thoroughly enjoying, and these three cities are very, very different from each other.
I think in your case, it was like meant to be. You had to live that southern person in you.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's whenever it's meant to happen, it happens, to be honest. And I believe in just going with the flow in life. So Delhi, born and brought up girl, my entire education has been from Delhi, but I experienced certain kind of freedom in Bombay.
course.
Started from Bombay, and then I think in my life, for the first very time in last 2 years, I'm actually staying alone, staying all by myself. Otherwise, I was always surrounded by family. So
That
it's
happens, no, when you're in Delhi.
yeah, and it's even in Bombay, my Masi was there. So for 5 years, when I was in Bombay, I was with my Masi. So again, with family, but it's a very different life when you taking care of everything on your own, and especially being at a place which is very alien to you. So I think Kochi brought in a lot of fresh change in my life, fresh perspective, a little calmness, a lot of peace in my life, which I thought is very important for me as a professional, which is constantly running around in professions which are highly demanding.
So, what is one thing that that one city, Delhi needs to learn from Mumbai, and Mumbai needs to learn from Kochi, and Kochi needs to learn from Delhi?
So many. अच्छा, तो Delhi का खाना is the best out of all.
So,
Food is
yeah.
something, I think weather, Delhi की सर्दियाँ is something that is quite nice to experience. Bombay gets in, I think every human in their life, in their professional career, especially at the start of their professional career, be it whatever, they should be in Bombay to see the hustle bustle of life and how chaotic it can be. I think it teaches you a lot. And Kochi is home for me now. Like,
okay.
and so I have built my first house in Kochi.
That's a nice feeling.
Yeah, so I like when I tell people that I'm literally staying at the border of India with the Arabian ocean view, and and it is beautiful. I mean, मतलब मेरे घर से beach is like 10 minutes, mountain is like one and a half hour, 2 hours. Then Fort Kochi, which is a very celebrated place in Kerala, is just right across the river.
Wow.
So it is beautiful, and then I'm surrounded by backwaters, jungle, city view.
That's beautiful. So, how is it living a life that you may have always wanted?
I think I'm living that life, and I'm living that life in a place which I chose for myself. And I think I'm really proud of that fact that when, after lockdown, when everything was here and there, and when I wanted to reinitiate and re-begin my life with a fresh perspective, then Bombay nahi jana tha mujhe, because I'd already experienced Bombay and I needed change, I think, in my life. And Hyderabad and Kochi were the two places. And again, Hyderabad is again by the way it's expanding, at what pace it's expanding, it's probably is going to be next Delhi, Bombay in next 5 to 10 years.
It is like that.
Very
Very busy, very crowded. Too many professional.
Yes. It's beautiful because it's newly getting developed with all the infrastructure. It's beautiful. I keep on traveling to Hyderabad a lot. I love that city. But at the same time, मुझे चाहिए था tier 2 vibe, a lot of simplicity, a little low paced life. मतलब 8 बजे के बाद आपको कोची की सड़कों पे कोई नहीं मिलेगा. It's something.
What do you do after that then?
I anyway have got quite a disciplined life, so I go to bed early, I rise up early, and then I have like a routine. I have set friends who are not from industry. I like to hang out with them. I chill with them. They have kids, and I play with them. And then I have few things that I keep on doing, like working out and joining a hobby there. Or there are so many places we could keep on exploring, like. गाड़ी लेकर इधर मतलब साउथ ऑफ केरला चले गए, नॉर्थ ऑफ केरला चले गए. देयर आर सो मेनी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज इन कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु. तमिलनाडु इज नॉट वेरी फार, so much to explore because everything is new to me. So I don't think that in coming at least 10 years I'm going to be bored of that place. So and I like the simplicity. हाथ से खाना खाते हैं, the kind of clothes they wear. There's no shoshabazi. Even if people are very rich, they like to lead their life with a lot of simplicity. Is something that I really admire. You're going for a meeting, you can be simple and go for a meeting. You don't have to be all the time decked up. Is something that really it's something that really fascinates me, to be honest. Coming from Delhi, Bombay, which is all the more loud, especially being a sports person than an actor. And then you're also people have certain expectations from you. वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वहाँ पे people like simplicity.
Very cultured.
Yeah. And then there are so many beautiful temples, and then the way Muslims, Christians, and Hindus stay under one roof. How religions, festivals are celebrated. Every festival will be celebrated with the same passion and compassion for all of them. So that is something that I really, really enjoy.
So the things that you're saying. So does what kind of what is the personal cost for having such a life? Because you chose this.
Yes.
And to have the freedom to choose this, even that comes at a cost. So what was it in your case?
Cost as in what way? I didn't
like personal, like staying away from family, doing what you wanted.
See, I've always been away from family. First, my family has been extremely supportive. I think more than me, they are people who want to see me grow, who want me to thrive, who want me to be happy, who want me to be busy. Because they know that I thrive on the energy of being busy. Because my mother, my father have seen me being at home, wherein I will not even get up for a couple of days and I'll be at one place, because that is also me. But they've also seen the busy me. But they know how how much of happiness it gives me when I'm busy, occupied, mentally occupied, doing something constructive in my life. And that's what they push me for. And parents always want to, family always wants to
do they want to come
happy.
and live with you there?
They do. साल में 2 बार आते हैं, and I make sure I have all my family there. I plan trips for them. Abhi recently when I shifted to my new house, they were here for about a month. So we had a great time. All my cousins were there. We did a family puja, and then we went for vacations here and there.
Okay, but it's nice to be on your own, right?
Yeah. It's amazing.
Very nice to be on your own.
Yeah. I मतलब अब तो 3-4 दिन बाद मुझे लगता है that I have this craving of going back home.
Yeah.
So I look forward to going back home and having my own time.
Home in Kochi.
That's my home, like if I call it. Yes.
That's very nice.
Yes.
And it's 10 years of Diya and Bati.
Yes.
2000. So everybody, the 2016 trend is on. Like everybody's doing that.
Yeah.
So Diya or Bati mein jo arzu thi, and how far have you come from that girl to the woman you are now?
Long way, very long way. So many changes, so many experiences, and I have nothing more but just gratitude for people who came across, the professions I have been in, people who supported me, my family, my friends, especially the ones who were not very supportive and who were cruel. I think I would be very grateful for them, because at the end of the day, these are the people who end up making you strong. Difficult situations are the situations which really help you grow. So I think being an athlete, I always had that attitude which is like of a go-getter. ठीक है, बुरा लगेगा, but then you know how to get up and then fight against whatever comes your way, and then just keep moving. And I have always felt that, you know, success is not about how far you've come, because if you ask me what I have achieved, I still don't think that I have achieved enough in my life. And but I'm really proud of the fact that every time there has been a downfall in my life, I have stood up and I have aspired to do something bigger and greater. अब वो होता है नहीं होता is also secondary, but you have a vision, mission, and then you are working towards is my biggest motivation, to be honest.
कहाँ मिले आप इन लोगों से जिन्होंने आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया? ये इंडस्ट्री में है या
Everywhere
कहाँ
you
है?
get it, you get these people everywhere, and these will be the people whom you end up trusting, whom you end up liking, whom you end up spending time with, because affect तो आपको वही करेंगे ना. अब जिनसे मतलब ही नहीं, जिनके साथ कोई इमोशनल कनेक्ट नहीं, वो तो आपको अफेक्ट करेंगे नहीं ज़्यादा, तो फिर आए और गए. बट देन यू एंड अप इन्वेस्टिंग इन रिलेशनशिप्स. इट कैन बी वेरियस काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स, राइट? These downfalls make you strong, and that has been my biggest strength, I feel. And I just learn and I then move on. But if you ask me if these things have changed me, I don't think so. I think it has made my own beliefs of being a personality more stronger, because now that I also get to know what my strengths are. You know, if I'm emotional, then that's my strength. That's how I take it.
That's a nice line. So, you know, you mean like these are personal things that makes one
Personal,
strong?
professional,
Both.
all kinds. It's not easy to be an actor, but I'm so grateful that I became an actor, because the kind of life I've had in last 10 years, what we're talking about, मुझे नहीं लगता कोई और प्रोफेशन मुझे इतना एक्सप्लोर करने का मौका देता. मतलब इतना ट्रैवल कराता, इतने लोगों से मिलना होता है. यू गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइफ इन मच डीपर, बेटर वे. एंड what is it all about at the end of the day? It's all about connections, it's all about stories, it's all about memories, it's all about two people talking and discussing life without judging each other, right? It's all about stories. I mean, we stay in a universe which is created with these beautiful stories.
Because, you know, you represented India for basketball, netball, and suddenly after that, it was suddenly after that we saw you at, मतलब I saw you much later, because उस टाइम पे मुझे बाद में देखा मैंने वो सीन. तो दिया और बाती आपको तब जाके, you know, it landed.
It just happened.
It just happened. तो वो how did that happen? How did वो switch भी कैसे हुआ from sports to
Honestly,
acting?
मैं शायद 3-4 हज़ार से ज़्यादा बार ऑलरेडी ये चीज़ बता चुकी हूँ. बट आई नो दैट इफ इट, आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग थ्रू, यार हर कोई मुझसे पूछता है, देन आई वाज आल्सो थिंकिंग देयर पर्सपेक्टिव, दैट इट probably this is something that really fascinates them, right? In terms of
because
knowing,
it's very unexpected.
unusual. So I was working for Accenture as a consultant. Is when you know,
you were having a normal job.
I left playing sports. I completed my MBA. I got a job in Accenture. CP में मेरा office था, and I got a message on my Facebook fan page.
So वो fan page
as a sports person
का था.
So this creative director was searching tall girls in India, and
girls in India.
So that, being a sports person, that's how my picture popped up, and she opened my Facebook page and messaged me, and from there it all started, and I didn't even take it seriously. And you know, when again जब incidents होते हैं ना, वो इस तरीके से होते हैं. मैं वो मैसेज मैंने अपने एक रैंडम फ्रेंड से शेयर किया. उसने बोला अच्छा बहुत बड़ा प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, स्टार प्लस के लिए शो है, बात करने में क्या जा रहा है, लड़की का मैसेज है, तू कर ले बात करने में क्या जा रहा है तेरा. मैं कहा ठीक है कर लूँगी. 4-5 दिन में ही केप्ट ऑन फॉलोइंग अप. लाइक ओके, मतलब चलो करके देखते हैं.
आपने वो देखा था तब तक? you were familiar with the show?
नहीं. I was totally layman in terms of knowing the industry, knowing anything about the industry. मतलब for me movie was अच्छा, movie आई, अच्छी लगी, बुरी लगी, अच्छा.
But जैसे टीवी घर में तो लोग देख रहे होते
हैं. My parents used to watch, my nani used to watch. They knew. But then again उनको भी लगा क्या, मतलब कोई लिंक नहीं है ना. आई मीन कभी कोई ट्राई नहीं करा, कभी कुछ एक्टिंग, कभी कुछ थिएटर नहीं किया, बट देन ऐसे रैंडमली आपके पास एक ऑफर आ रहा है. सो या आई मीन थिंग्स वर मेंट टू हैपन एंड दे हैपेंड. अब उस टाइम पे ही मेरा फ्रेंड मेरी लाइफ में आया. Probably he became like a source for me to push me to pursue this. Whatever happened, I mean, it just happened, and no regrets.
फिर you left the job, फिर आप
हाँ
मुंबई.
हाँ. तो उन्होंने बोला 3 दिन के अंदर अंदर आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा. लाइक मिनिमम नोटिस पीरियड ही 1 महीने का होता है. लाइक जो भी है.
अच्छा, उस टाइम पे आपको किसी ने बोला कि are you making like a silly decision?
So I
एक
spoke.
अच्छा खासा जॉब छोड़ के Accenture is a good
I spoke to my
MNC.
Accenture leadership, who was my boss, super boss at that time. And they were like, Prachi, are you sure you want to do this? I was like, yes, and I think I'm young enough to explore, and I would want to explore. Because somehow being into a corporate environment, especially representing your country at that level, मुझे ना मुझे लग रहा था, am I doing justice to what I'm meant to do in life? Or I'm not meant for this.
So you knew that somewhere deep
Somewhere
down.
I was doing it, I was enjoying it, but it was a monotonous life. अच्छा सुबह ऑफिस पहुंच गए, पूरा दिन काम कर लिया, बॉसेस की सुन ली, इवनिंग में गेट टुगेदर्स हो गए, but I was so not me. I mean, I think I'm made for a bigger social network in terms of spreading my knowledge, spreading my wisdom, interacting with more number of people, meeting new people. I think that's my energy, and which somehow was getting a little diluted there. So maybe this happened, and I was like, let me at least go for it, try for it, because I was not coming from an acting background, and whatever I learned is in front of the camera. So whatever happened during the training session in Dior Bati
Okay.
Hum, while doing Dior Bati Hum, and I still talk to Suraj, Anas Rashid
Suraj,
from
yeah.
that show, and I think he's the only person I'm actually in touch with, other than the director Maqbool Khan sir, and amazing people, and they took care of me so well. Anas Rashid still calls me captain. उधर भी जब मैं आती थी तो और captain कैसे हैं आप, and everybody was so nice to me, and all beautiful fond memories from Dior Bati Hum.
Yeah, because हमने जो सुना है for like being in journalism and then doing this कि बहुत chaotic होता है, and people are not really exactly nice,
chaotic
right?
तो vertical series होती है. अभी recently I ended up doing a vertical series, and I didn't know that they will be so much more chaotic than a daily
What is a
soap.
vertical series?
Basically a series in a form of reel.
Like episodes,
vertical, like how we see a reel.
Okay.
It's also shot
Oh,
vertically.
Okay.
Generally horizontally shoot होता है हर चीज का. This is also shot
Like the way we
vertically.
do on Instagram.
हाँ, same. So they are professionally shot series of stories. Basically, these all Korean dramas being adapted in Hindi.
Okay.
So I got a storyline. I was like, sounds interesting, but more than 3.5 crore people have already seen it.
The vertical series.
Vertical series that I've recently
you know,
done.
Because daily soap, daily soap is a different
हाँ, आप
ball
वही
game.
मैं बोल रही हूँ. आप बोल रहे थे डेली सोप chaotic
Yeah.
होता है. अभी वर्टिकल सीरीज आ गई है, which is much more
अच्छा,
chaotic. हाँ.
okay.
The good part is that it's giving work to so many actors, which is a good part. It's generating income, generating revenue and business, but it's really it's basically 5 दिन में आप picture shoot कर रहे हो.
But you were much younger. आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया होगा कि इतने सारे लोग एक सेट पे एंड यू आर टोटली न्यू टू दैट एनवायरनमेंट, तो उसमें सेटल होने में वही डिड यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ शॉक?
नहीं, नॉट रियली. मतलब इट वाज एवरीथिंग वाज सो न्यू टू मी, और टाइम नहीं था. शॉक के लिए भी टाइम नहीं था. डायलॉग्स इतने बड़े बड़े होते थे.
तो कैसे लर्न किया वो?
My ADs were very nice. Munna was there, Deepak was there, and
So they help you?
They helped me a lot, and my director Maqbool sir was very very cooperative. मतलब they literally treated me like a child on the set and कि चलो इसका बाद में शूट करते हैं क्योंकि ये जो बाकी सारे मंझे हुए एक्टर्स हैं ये तो खा जाएंगे इसको. And she needs that training time because workshop के लिए time नहीं था. I was directly thrown in front of the camera. So बिल्कुल भी मतलब not even single day workshop was actually given to me. And I still remember starting my acting career from Bhopal with Joyshri Arora ma'am जो Chak De India में शाहरुख की mother बनी थी. So she was my first ever scene was with her as an actor.
How was your first day on camera? First scene before
Bhopal
camera?
on the terrace at Shaukat Mahal shooting with her evening time is what I remember.
And how do you remember yourself from then?
Arre, I've drastically evolved so much as an actor, as a person, how in terms of how I look. There's so much that obviously you get to know about your makeup, your angles, then you groom yourself, you work on yourself as an actor, and then जितना आपको पता लगता रहता है, obviously you want to be the best, right? So
Like, I
of
mean,
course,
could you say
like-
the lines? Did you आप रुके बीच में?
नहीं of
Yeah.
course मैं बहुत
Yeah.
रुकती थी, मैं prompting भी लेती थी, and my dialogues initially were very very robotic I believe क्योंकि पता नहीं था कैसे deliver करना है, acting तो आती ही नहीं थी. तो अभी बल्कि मैंने एक recently reel डाली थी, उसमें मैंने अपना first time ever audition 2016 का वो भी you can actually use that. तो
I'll
वो
use that in the promo.
हाँ और फिर मैंने अभी 10 साल बाद मैंने same audition record किया. तो मतलब it starts with my audition right now and then it goes 10 years back to my audition that I gave back then and how I look back then. So it's a nice
What was that
transition.
one thing that you would want to tell the younger Prachi?
I would just say that it's good how you led your life and never regret of any decision that you made. Own it. Because whatever you're today is all because of the journey that you've taken so far.
अच्छा, because जैसे हम लोग तो we just know it from what we see and what we read and being in journalism. So for me it's like ऐसा एक for a new person अगर आप जैसे you're learning the dialogues, you're trying, so ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आपको replace कर देंगे या आपको कि you will be thrown out of the thing altogether. Did you have to face that kind
नहीं
of?
मुझे तो स्पेशली लेकर आए थे उस कैरेक्टर के लिए and then I became a part of the family and then it also depends on how you are liked by the audience. I think Arzu's character was so adorably written that people ended up loving it. वो सलमान खान की fan है, एकदम मुस्टंडी टाइप पर्सनालिटी है, उसका एक छोटा कुत्ता है जिसका नाम चुलबुल है.
Yes.
तो वो सब जो इतने प्यारा कैरेक्टर जो लिखा था, people were really attached to it and I still people reach out to me and call me that they call me Arzu. So even after 10 years, which shows us the power of TV, which shows us the power of good content that we are capable of making. And it was a beautifully written character and it will always be very close to my heart as well.
The Arzu in you.
Arzu in me. And it was honestly जब वो मुझे बता रही थी मैंने कहा यार ये तो मोस्टली मैं ही हूँ. मतलब प्राची in real life is more or less the same. Like a sports person and tomboyish and there was a lot of me that I carried in that character of Arzu.
So they found the right person.
Best part, the one that topped the list before me saying yes to this was I get to play a Pakistani girl, haven't been the national captain for India in sports. So her journey from Pakistan to India was something which is very fascinating for me. I get to play a Pakistani girl's character from her journey from Pakistan to India. So wo feeling again, I think this has to do with the feeling that we were talking about initially about being that whole India being mine. It's not just Delhi or Kerala or
True.
Bombay.
So, but you didn't plan to pursue sports आगे मतलब to
नहीं
to
मतलब
play.
इतना honestly scope नहीं था.
Basketball में नहीं है
नहीं basketball, netball, both only. I mean and then I wanted to leave after accomplishing something. So Indian team won its first medal under my captaincy before I left playing sports professionally. But I still play for fun. I love hitting the ground. I love अभी मैंने last year badminton सीखा. अभी
Okay.
recently I was with the Celebrity Cricket League of Kerala Strikers. Kerala की team के साथ I was the brand ambassador for them. So I got to be in professional sports, being as an ambassador for the team. So it was so much of fun. The team energy and
Sports is like that.
it was so much more to me. I mean, just then work.
So this sports person then went to from daily soaps to Southern cinema.
I've done Punjabi movies, then
And then-
other shows for Star Plus. Then I did a show for Colors also, Band Baja Bandar Baza, one episode in that. And then Mamangam happened. Malayalam movie with Mammootty happened. Mammootty sir.
Mammootty is a legend.
He is a legend.
Yeah?
We call him Mamuka lovingly.
Mamuka means?
Mamuka basically out of love we call him. मतलब Muslims को इक्का बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो Mammootty sir को lovingly everybody calls him as Mamuka.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how is he? How
like
is he?
मोहनलाल को बोलते हैं लाल एटन मतलब हिंदूज को एटन बोलते हैं तो उनको लाल एटन बोलते लाल एटन
Okay.
out of love and respect.
Because he was much older than you, and you played his lead. No.
We were all, actually I was not romancing him on the screen. We were all main leads in the film, main characters basically. It was a character driven film. I never romanced him.
How is Mammootty in real life?
Amazing. I mean, I became Mamuka's fan after doing a film with him, and he was very kind, very nice. He used to sit with me, share about his experiences of working in Mumbai, and then I ended up meeting Salman also at the sets of Bharat.
Salman Khan. You mean?
Yes.
Okay.
So, and then I remember sharing with him that I'm doing a film with Mamuka, and he was also like, Mammootty is a great guy. And then there was something that had happened wherein Salman told me that Katrina's first film was with Mammootty sir down south. So he was telling me she was working with Mammootty and that she ended up losing a gift which Salman gifted to Katrina. And then she was like a little trying to search for it, and that's what he remembers from back then. And then he was like, yeah, that was the first and the last time I gifted anything to anyone. So that was a conversation I'm having with Salman on the sets of Bharat when I first met him, my first and last meeting with him. But it was great. I mean, he gave me time, and we had a common point of Mammootty sir to talk about, since Katrina had also worked with Mamuka. So yeah, it's nice. I mean, as I said, it's all about memories, stories that we share with each other. And
So
with
Salman,
what intensity.
did you ever you wanted to work with Salman
I wanted to
Khan?
work with him.
Yeah?
That's why I ended up meeting him, but unfortunately couldn't meet after that. And also lockdown happened, so there was a huge break
So
in between.
how is he like? Is he like the way we see him in Big Boss?
Honestly, I've not seen Big Boss ever till now.
Oh, that he
Yeah.
needs to know that now.
Yeah, no, I've never seen it, and I think people also captured when they were like. Because people were like, would you be a part of Big Boss? I was like, I don't think I'm a Big Boss person at all.
But you did get an offer?
I was approached many times, but I've always said no to it.
Why?
Because for me, creativity, craft lies in the kind of work I am doing, and a lot of things that comes as an actor is that I've not done because I don't believe in it, and I only want to do things that I feel comfortable doing, or I have conviction doing in.
Yeah.
So
I mean, when you met the person who you want to do a film with, Salman Khan is another legend, I'd
Yes,
say.
yes.
So what was he like? Was he?
He was very chill. He was just sitting, and then I think good 15-20 minutes he spent with me, and it was a set full of people, like so many people, around 1,000 odd people on the sets. वो गाना चल रहा था, स्लो मोशन का शूट चल रहा था शायद,
Slow motion,
with Disha Patni, and yeah, we were just chilling and talking for good 15-20 minutes. We spoke about sports, and then we spoke about Mammootty sir, and then we spoke about a couple of more things. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it was a good meeting with him. I mean, I'll always be happy the way I got to meet him.
Yeah, you got time with him.
Yes.
Any,
That's exactly how I wanted to meet him.
So because southern cinema, so ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, southern movies are more hero centric. Hero is the the life size.
ऐसा नहीं, I don't
ऐसे
think,
नहीं है.
नहीं, we have superstar, अभी lady superstar, आप बोलोगे तो अनुष्का शेट्टी, नयनतारा from Tamil and Telugu industries,
Yeah,
then
they are.
हाँ, Urvashi, ma'am, she's been a legend, and then Malayalam industry also has Shobha, and then Parvati is there, and a lot of other, Manju Warrior is there. They are considered as lady superstars down
So
south.
how different is southern cinema from from here in the north, where you've done TV, but have you done any do you want to like get
I
into
want to.
Bollywood?
I'm still
Yeah.
waiting for the right opportunity because I just don't want to be part of any movie because doing your debut with Mamuka
Right.
also sets me apart in अच्छा अब इसके आगे कुछ करना है तो has to be something at par or
So
something
that
equally good.
pressure, right.
हाँ, so वो आता है when you are a part of big projects, no, that comes with the cost also, especially when you're making your debut with that. And unfortunately, very unfortunate that lockdown happened immediately after my film got released. I was getting back-to-back offers, Tamil movies, Telugu, Malayalam, but everything stopped during COVID.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but it's okay.
So
I've
that
recently
was the-
done a film with Suresh Gopi, who is our tourism minister now. He's a superstar there.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then.
Yes.
So, I've done films. Abhi, balki, there's another film that I did during Mamangam named as Trishanku. It's finally getting released after what, 6-7 years.
When are we going to see it?
Abhi 20th ko release ho rahi hai. Finally, I'm so happy that it's finally hitting the theaters because I always feel that आप इतना time, इतना effort लगता है ना एक picture बनाने में, I can't tell you. For it to reach people is very important.
Of course,
Sometimes what happens is some or the other person fucks it up. It can be anybody from the team. It can be actors, directors, producers, distribution, whatever. But somehow somebody needs to take the accountability of curating everything together and putting it out to the audience because that is very important for everyone. वो इतना काम करा वो डब्बे में पड़ी है तो किसी के it's good for nobody, right?
But work culture में difference है.
हर जगह है वो हर इंडस्ट्री में है लाइक आई हैव नाउ वर्कड इन पंजाब आई वर्कड इन बॉम्बे आई वर्कड इन तमिल तेलुगु मलयालम
Because southern cinema is booming, Bollywood से बहुत ज़्यादा.
अब आपको ऐसा लगता है वो कब से बूम्ड ही
है. Right, you're right.
मतलब एट टाइम जब हम बात करते थे 100 करोड़ की वहाँ हम हिंदी पिक्चरों की बात करते थे कि 100 करोड़ की 200 करोड़ की अरे वो लोग एक रीजनल लैंग्वेज की पिक्चर इतने में बनाते हैं
तो व्हाट इज इट जो वो अलग करते हैं
आई थिंक द स्टोरीज आर वेरी रूटेड एक क्या होता है masses when you're creating a content for masses it needs to have like an impact it should be entertaining in some or the other way I think they're very entertaining मतलब वो जो डोपामिन रश वो आपको देती है ना in terms of action in terms of emotion आप dubbed देखते हो आप you don't even know the original language still you feel connected and you enjoy that is what cinema and entertainment is all about ठीक है वी क्रिएट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स देयर विल बी आर्ट मूवी सब किसी को वो पसंद है बट एंटरटेनमेंट इज मेंट फॉर बीइंग एंटरटेन्ड आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग
वो लैंग्वेज का बैरियर हाउ डिड यू क्रॉस या फिर वो डब होता है
नहीं डब तो होता ही है बट लिपसिंग तो मुझे ही करनी है अब एक्टिंग तो मुझे ही करनी है आई लर्न माई डायलॉग्स मतलब उनका ट्रांसलेशन करके मतलब उसको मंग्लिश या टिंग्लिश में लिख कर एंड देन उनका आई सिट विद माई एडीज आई नो द मीनिंग आई रिहर्स माई इमोशंस एंड देन आई deliver it.
So when you get that kind of fame, so what goes in through your mind?
I don't take anything very seriously. मतलब अच्छा कुछ
But
अच्छा
it can't
हुआ
be like that.
नहीं it is all about your state of mind. It's all see it's a rush.
Yeah.
It's a rush when things are happening and I somehow if you ask me I experienced that rush during Mamangam. I experienced that rush during Diya Aur Baati Hum.
That was bigger, like instant fame.
हाँ,
So
तो
and
instant-
you were much younger. तो
हाँ.
किसी ने आपको advice किया या did you feel कि हाँ it's
a-
getting
हाँ तो नहीं तो मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ because I'm coming from a platform a profession in my life and I've already seen fame as a sports person.
aren't they different?
It's how you take it. See, fame is fame. अगर आप people are coming to you, it's always a high. It's always a high. No denials in that. You feel good about it. No, agar if you given
course.
importance, if you get importance, if 100 people, 1,000 people, crore, matlab lakhs of people are coming to you, complimenting you, you'll feel good about it. But the whole this thing, mera is, see, coming from a Jat family, very rooted. ठीक है, simple family. So my roots are sorted. Then I think sports का जो foundation in my life was created because of sports. That sorted me as a human being. तो अगर आज या कल अगर if something exceptionally great also happens, you will find me talking to the same person who's talking right now, because this is what exactly people have told me who met me, when I was not even an actor.
Like being in showbiz, what I mean also is, after that high, is there a pressure कि मुझे वो ही high maintain करना है, sustain करना है? No?
होता है, obviously होता है, but again, expectations, reality, competition, constant this thing, it's a combination of a lot of things.
So how do you make sense of it and go ahead?
See, as I said, being rooted, matlab, behaving a certain way professionally is very important for me. Defining clear boundaries in terms of professional behavior is very important for me. And then I work on my terms and conditions, my rules and regulations. Matlab, if I'm punctual, you have to give me matlab, the same punctuality in my work also. मतलब you can't expect me to be in a certain way. So
ऐसा होता है सेट्स पे कि लेट हो रहा है या कोई एक्टर बहुत लेट
होता है, या जैसे अगर मैं if I am being professional and you are not at least having the basic courtesy of letting me know कि shoot नहीं होगा या मैं ready होकर बैठी हूँ या जो भी है, I'm saying again it differs from people to people, and it how you condition your mind as. तो फिर मेरा है कि मैं अच्छा दिस इज व्हाट आई एम पेड फॉर दीज मैनी आवर्स, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सपोज टू डू. इसके आगे अगर आप आई कम ऑन टाइम, आई विल बी प्रोफेशनल, नथिंग, नो डिलेज विल हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ मी. बट इफ यू आर नॉट बीइंग प्रोफेशनल, देन डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू बी नाइस टू यू, यू नो. एंड फिर उसके बाद आफ्टर सर्टन पॉइंट, लाइक अब 10 साल हो गए हैं, सो अब नाउ आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक ठीक है, अब आई एम ऑल्सो लिटिल सीनियर, राइट? आई कैन कमांड, आई कैन डिमांड थिंग्स. दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी और एल्स इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी.
So how is the money? How is the money when you've reached a point? How is the money? Does it
मनी डिफर्स. ऐसा नहीं है कॉर्पोरेट की तरह कि अच्छा 50 से शुरू किया तो बढ़ता ही बढ़ता जाएगा या कभी स्टैग्नेंट हो जाएगा. वो ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर सक्सेसेस, डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर मार्केट, डिपेंड्स अपॉन वेयर यू आर फेमस.
Southern cinema pays better?
Certain, yes, it all depends on project wise, it all depends on your popularity, it all depends upon your like
I mean south cinema.
Kerala mein people know me, so my demand would be higher there. If I'm going elsewhere, it would be a little different. If I'm going for a motivational talk, it would be a little different. If I'm going for an inauguration wherein I have a huge fan following, it will be different.
But it's good money.
It's good money. यार.
Better than a corporate.
महीने में जो मैं अपने पापा को यही बोलती हूँ, मैंने कहा पापा इतना पैसा लोग महीनों में कमाते हैं जो हम 1 घंटे में कमा लेते हैं.
Can you give an example?
For example, initially I'll say maybe during Diya or Bati for an inauguration I was getting good 2.5 lakh rupees for an inauguration.
Okay.
Example.
Then.
Like that back then. So just for a ribbon cutting, clicking few pictures, if you're getting this kind of money, then it's obviously a high, no? And ऐसा नहीं है कि अब ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि अगर आपको एक दिन मिला और फिर आपके पास 2 महीने तक काम भी नहीं है. बट दैट्स द हाई एंड द लो ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री. That's why constantly grooming yourself, working on your skills, networking, meeting people is very, very important. Very important.
When you did Diya and Bati और अभी like एक समय था जब people would work on their craft, they would go to workshops.
अब तो और ज़्यादा competition.
अभी Instagram पे people people who are wanting to be actors, wanting to get into cinema, बस वो रील्स से अगर कोई वायरल हो जाता है तो फिर बस, सो दैट इज द ओनली
नहीं बट नहीं, अब बीच में आया था वो ट्रेंड आया था इमीडिएटली आफ्टर लॉकडाउन कि a lot of influencers were also put into they were getting bagging big Bollywood films or big movies per se in India. But it really doesn't work like that because creators are also so used to directing themselves that it's not, I have heard it from people that it's not easy for them to be directed. It's not everybody's cup of tea to be an actor. No, it's not easy.
That's what. But there are so many people. तो जो
They are great.
जो मेहनत लगती है ना, जो आप पहले लोग इतना ज़्यादा मेहनत करते थे to learn, to you know craft पे काम करते थे, अभी वो कम हो गया है या how do you see that?
Everybody works, especially what actors I know, they work on their action, their skills, their acting, constant grooming, constant change of looks, and it's not easy यार. I mean आपको specific खाना खाना है, आपको एक disciplined life चाहिए, you don't have work. जब नहीं चाहिए होता तो एकदम से सब बहुत सारा आ जाता है, जब चाहिए होता है तो बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी नहीं होता. To be stable, to keep your mind stable and sane during that time, it is a mixture of, like, it's a pool, like an ocean of emotions and things that you go through as an actor on day-to-day basis. That's why I say I am whatever I am because of sports today. But if you ask me which is a difficult profession, acting as of now.
So what is the one एक चीज़ जो you would want to tell younger people who are wanting to get into cinema, acting, you know, in the world of showbiz?
See, I always say one thing. मेरी लाइफ में जो मैंने देखा है, you do whatever comes your way. First of all, I think everybody should play sport till 12th. Some or the other sport at whatever level. Fun के लिए खेलना है तुम जाकर खेलो. Because the kind of brain conditioning it teaches you, it gives you, it helps you for life. ठीक है, मैं हर पेरेंट्स को भी बोलती हूँ, मैंने कहा प्रोफेशनली खेलना है नहीं खेलना है वो बात की बात है, वो तो आपको इवेंचुअली पता लग जाएगा बच्चा कितना अच्छा है, कितने मेडल्स ले रहा है या जो भी है. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देम टू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स. देन मैं दूसरी चीज़ ये बोलती हूँ कि फिर आप कॉलेज में आ जाते हो, एवरीबडी नीड्स देयर ओन फ्रीडम एंड देन यू नो दैट rush, then you're into multiple things and you're exploring life as a free bird for the very first time. But starting from college comes a time wherein there will be opportunities knocking your door in very unexpected ways. You just have to be smart enough to grab everything that comes your way. Just try and test everything. You never know what takes you where, is what I think. Because that exactly has happened with me in life.
So that is the mantra.
That is the mantra. अब लोग क्या करते हैं, मम्मी छोड़ना, मम्मी मना कर देंगी, पापा मना कर देंगे, घर पे अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. घर पे आपको कोई कभी मना नहीं करेगा if you are excelling and if you are doing it passionately. This is what my belief is. Parents are insecure because of certain things kids they have seen in their kids or whatever. They are scared or they want them to be in a certain way. But if you prove them wrong and if you're succeeding in something that you really want to do, मैं मान ही नहीं सकती कि कोई पेरेंट्स आपको मना कर दें.
बट वो सीरियसनेस होना, वो सिंसियरिटी,
वो तो आपको प्रूव करना है ना. अब चलो मेरे पेरेंट्स थे, अब मेरे पेरेंट्स भी, मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि वो हमेशा से सपोर्टिव थे स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर, या मुझे भी उनको कन्विंस करना पड़ा जब उनको लगा कि अच्छा हमारी बेटी तो अभी दिल्ली टीम में खेल रही है, या अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा है, दीज आर द अदर गर्ल्स हु आर प्लेइंग, कोचेज ऐसे हैं, कोचेज से मिंगल हुए, तो देन दे गॉट कंफर्टेबल, देन दे वर लाइक चलो हाँ दिस इज हाउ इट इज. बट अगर आप यू कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड जब पेरेंट्स को भी वो नहीं पता, तो इट इज एज अ किड इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑल्सो.
स्पेशली इन शोबिज जहाँ पे इतने सारे नोशंस है ना, कॉमन पर्सन, पीपल आउटसाइड द मीडिया.
हाँ, और मेरी
वहाँ पे ऐसे होता है, बहुत गलत हो जाता है.
मेरी फैमिली में कोई एक्टर नहीं था, ठीक है, एंड इट जस्ट हैपेंड. And I still remember, and ये भी मैंने काफ़ी interviews में बोला, I still remember having a conversation before going to Bombay for this first audition. I was in Delhi. तो मैंने कहा क्या करना है, मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठी हुई थी, तो पापा कहते जो करना है करो, कल को आके ये मत बोला कि हमने नहीं करनी थी.
That's very cool.
So I was like, so now they have thrown the ball in my court. So now I can't tomorrow be not successful and come and blame them for it. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
So this there's a very thin line here. You're taking responsibility not just for yourself but also for the belief your family is showing in you to go outside home as a girl, as a Jat girl, as coming from a family that they know, and then they also want me to know from the back of my mind, and then go ahead in my journey and do what I'm meant to do. So it's a lot of things that you carry with yourself. And I think very important also for you to succeed and be successful.
I also wanted to ask कि just for women actors, जो पे पैरिटी को लेकर हमेशा एक फाइट, एक टसल चलता रहता
वो
है.
अभी भी है, हर जगह है वो, everywhere.
So is it in every other
Everywhere,
regional
everywhere,
cinema also?
everywhere.
So why is it so?
अब पता है क्या, इसका भी ना मैं सोच रही थी, मतलब I
And is
have
the difference quite stark?
It is. अब movies में male actors end up earning much more than female actors. TV में female actors end up earning much more than male actors.
ऐसा है?
Now male actors का conflict is कि यार तुम लोग तो social media वगैरह से सब everybody likes to watch likes watching girls only, तो तुम्हें इतना collabs मिलता रहता है, so much of money that you earn. मतलब I'm just saying that on a very lighter note with my मेल को एक्टर्स वी ऑलवेज हैव दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन कि अच्छा दूसरी इंडस्ट्रीज में तुम्हें भी तो मिलता है, हमें बिल्कुल, हमें कोई पूछता भी नहीं यहाँ पे.
But cinema is much bigger, ना?
It is bigger, but it is also at a very small scale, right? In terms of कितनी पिक्चरें बनती हैं, and then it's not like a continuous, like creators and brands, वो कुछ ना कुछ आपका forever चलता ही रहता है. But yeah, obviously, the kind of money you end up like somebody who is a big star, we cannot even imagine earning that kind of money in like lifetime.
Even for other like bigger actresses who are like at par with them.
हाँ, I mean, I don't know, maybe somebody like Priyanka, Deepika, अभी now they have started earning what 20 to 40, जबकि हमारे जो और
20 to 40
CR for a
CR,
film,
crores.
हाँ,
Okay.
big films is what I read somewhere. Maybe मतलब that's the range, right? But if you talk about male superstars, they earn what 100 CR for a film.
100
80
CR?
हाँ, 100 CR, like somebody like Ranbir Kapoor or Shah Rukh or Rajni sir, they all earn that much.
100 CR में एक फिल्म बन जाती है.
तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ, मतलब वो उनकी फिल्में ही फिर 400-500 करोड़ की, 1000 करोड़ की होती हैं, तो उसमें फिर उनको इतना मिलता है, तो फिर that's justifiable.
ये डिफरेंस बहुत बड़ा है. It's
बहुत
like a
बड़ा है.
huge gap.
वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि अगर उस स्टैचर का अगर कोई somebody like Deepika and Priyanka, they should also be earning that much, no?
Because they are at par in terms of
Right,
popularity,
right,
in
they
terms
are.
of work.
But it's like we do have, it's a male dominating, like big screen is male dominating. I
So
would think.
not much has changed there.
No. It's there.
How is it? What
फिर
kind
inaugurations
of
वगैरह के लिए सब फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस को प्रेफर करते हैं ना, तो
अच्छा.
तो फिर वही मैं कह रही हूँ, on a lighter note I keep having this conversation, तो हमेशा देखी पुल कि हमें
So you
तो नहीं
mean कि
बुलाते
वो
फिर.
वहाँ से फिर you get that money?
ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट्स हो गई, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. फीमेल के लिए और बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, क्लोथिंग है, ज्वेलरी है, स्किन प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. तो जहाँ पे लड़कों के पास इतने ऑप्शंस नहीं हैं.
वो कुछ ही है जो उठा ले जा रहे हैं ना फिर
Right,
पूरा
right,
का
right,
पूरा.
right.
So what kind of a place is the industry for women?
Nice, yeah, it all depends on you.
It all depends on
मुझे
you.
लगता है सारी इंडस्ट्री सेम है, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर हो, स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर हो, पॉलिटिक्स हो, एंटरटेनमेंट हो, जर्नलिज्म हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए आपको क्या चाहिए और किस रूट से आपको चाहिए. इफ यू आर क्लियर, then you are clear, then everything else is an on and off distraction. That's it. It'll come and go.
So when you are younger and you're trying to get in, तब लोग कुछ ऐसे decisions या they feel उनके पास ये clarity शायद नहीं होती है कि मुझे ये रूट मैं नहीं भी लूंगी तो कुछ नहीं होगा. I'll have to maybe wait more.
आप learn कर रहे होते हो ना, you're coming across, अच्छा when you actually come across an uncomfortable situation live, तो आपको लगता है अच्छा ये तो reality में भी होता है. And then you think through, you think why you came, you think what you are here for, you rewind, you need to sit back with yourself and plan and then move ahead. See, nothing is right and wrong. It's very individual decision, right? Everybody's journey is different. I am a big fan of what Priyanka has done to herself, to her life. Big fan.
100%.
But how has she done it?
Priyanka
Why-
Chopra Jonas we are talking
Yes.
about.
How has she done it? What route she has taken? Do I want to be her? Or should I, or do I only want to be inspired by her? These are the questions an individual needs to ask. Probably I have done things which she has never done, right? I have represented my country in sports. She has not done that. She has represented our country in pageant. So
Yeah.
journeys can be different. We don't need to compare. We just need to take inspiration. She's extremely knowledgeable. I love the way she talks. I love the way she's a go-getter. But do I want to do that the way she has done that? Not necessary, right? I'm just saying.
So you have to carve your own path.
Of course. You can't follow anybody. अच्छा उसने किया उसने आप पीछे का स्ट्रगल नहीं देखते ना फिर
वो बाद में पता चलता है
बाद में पता लगता
क्योंकि
है
when you're young and you just want to get in, you know, so since you've been there, what is the process? क्या process है अगर कोई जो people who are, you know, trying to get in अपना to get into this industry, what is the actual process? Is there a process?
हाँ, be in Bombay, meet the casting guys, groom yourself, attend some casting classes. उसमें you get to have contacts, reach out to those people, give constant auditions, network, be a creator, do things for survival because Bombay is a difficult place to be. So this is general. मतलब वो धीरे 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 आप मैं भी कितना मतलब these are the main things that we speak about कि अच्छा ये करा है but behind the scenes obviously that can't be my bread and butter, right? There's so much that we keep on doing, creating content,
yeah.
brand associations, inaugurations, then traveling for Independence Day पर कुछ like US में बहुत events होते हैं, so I was a grand marshal there for a couple of events. So keep on doing so many other things, motivational talks. I've done close to 10 TEDx already, probably more. So you need to keep yourself occupied and busy.
And seen.
And seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that people know where you
keep
are.
Investing in your profile. Keep investing in your work. Keep investing in your personality. And eventually, when one project comes, you should be ready to grab it and then make the best use of it.
So, because, you know, when we see huge unending queues of, you know, for auditions, वो देख के ही किसी को डर लग जाए
पर
exhaustion.
आप जाकर देखो जो एक्टर्स इतने अपने घर बाहर छोड़ के आते हैं जा नहीं पाते. I think you and me are still privileged to be able to do celebrate, sit here nicely in AC and talk about things. But there's so many who aren't able to do that, and you know, we just need to be compassionate about our journey, how far we have come, and not just be restless thinking कि हम वहाँ नहीं पहुँचे. तभी मैंने I didn't want to go back to Bombay because I realized that I blinked and then 5 years gone. Literally. Best time of my life again. No regrets. And I love Bombay. Like Bombay is a feeling.
It is.
बॉम्बे में लैंड करो एंड देन जैसी वो कैब ड्राइवर पुराने गाने लगाता है ना एफएम पे लाइक ओ गॉड यू बैक टू बॉम्बे चलो वड़ा पाव खाते हैं अब सो या दैट्स व्हाट बॉम्बे इज एंड yeah, it has become very chaotic to be honest. Too much of traffic. अभी recently मैं जब 4-5 बार visit किया. But I still like going there. Energy different है वहाँ की.
But true. But if you have, like you said that आपको भी movies Bollywood में करना है, so don't you have to be there for that?
ऐसा नहीं है. मैं जैसे अब मैंने साउथ पिक्चरें करी जब मैं बॉम्बे में थी. So I was anyway everywhere. See, what I tell people is my base is Kochi means I like coming back to Kochi, but I travel all the time. अब जैसे अगर मैं बॉम्बे में भी मेरा बेस होता तो मैं मोस्टली साउथ में थी. तो हाउ डज इट रियली आई डोंट थिंक बेस रियली मैटर्स टू मच. हाँ तो अब अगर आपके पास कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं पीपल नो यू तो देन दे विल रीच आउट टू यू. अच्छा कोई मीटिंग है कोई ऑडिशन है ऑडिशन आप डिजिटली बनाकर भेज देते हो मोस्टली. मीटिंग है आई ट्रैवल डाउन आई फिनिश ऑल माई मीटिंग्स एंड कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट है तो आई कैन फ्लाई डाउन एनी टाइम एनी वे. So for that, I like working out in Kochi. I like going for a walk. I think that is a
Yeah,
lot of
that's the
peace.
peace everybody wants at one after some point of time,
Yes,
you know.
yes.
Because you know, as you said, so at this point in your career, यहाँ पे भी do you have to give an audition उसी तरह लाइन में लग के, और या
नहीं,
is
नहीं,
there a
नहीं.
different
नहीं, देरी आजकल तो मैसेजेस आते हैं कास्टिंग गाइज कि दिस इज द स्क्रिप्ट, यू रिकॉर्ड एंड सेंड. वी रिकॉर्ड एंड सेंड ऑन द मैसेज ओनली, और यू अपलोड इट ऑन अ यूट्यूब, यू शेयर एन अनलिस्टेड लिंक विद देम. सो इट्स ऑल अवेलेबल दीज डेज. ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि आपको जाना ही जाना है.
तो उसका परसेंटेज कितना होता है? क्योंकि दे मस्ट बी गेटिंग लाइक हाउ मेनी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ such videos.
तो दैट्स व्हाट
To that chance to be
बहुत
even
कम
your
होता है.
video being
बहुत
seen.
कम होता है. बहुत नहीं, वीडियो तो ऑब्वियसली वो शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं. देयर आर वेरियस प्रोसेसेस. Sometimes I also feel at a lot of places it's just a scam. Casting is just a scam because
That could
eventually
also be.
they end up taking people who are in their radar. अब जैसे आप प्रोड्यूसर हो, ठीक है, आपने मैं कास्टिंग, ठीक है, आपने मुझे हायर किया. अब मुझे जस्टिफाई भी तो करना है ना अपना काम. तो अगर आपको भी, अगर मैं आपको 100 प्रोफाइल दिखा रही हूँ और उसमें से आप 4 सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, अगर मैं आपको 10 दिखा रही हूँ 4 कर रहे हो, तो उसका भी तो एक परसेप्शन डिफरेंट तो हो रहा है ना. मैंने देखो 100 प्रोफाइल मैंने ऑडिशन किया, अब आप इसमें से सिलेक्ट करो, तो मैं अपनी इनकम जस्टिफाई कर रही हूँ आपको. मुझे लगता है ऐसा भी होता ही होगा, मतलब इट्स बेसिक साइकी. एंड बट इवेंचुअली इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर नेटवर्क, हाउ कनेक्टेड यू आर. अच्छा, मैं इसको जानती हूँ, मैं मिल रही हूँ कास्टिंग गाय से कॉन्स्टेंटली, उसने बोला अच्छा तू ऑडिशन दे दे. ऑडिशन देना पड़ेगा, बट ठीक है, उसके दिमाग में होगा तो चलो she fits well in for the role, let's give her a chance. So that helps.
ऐसे कभी होता है कि आपने ऑडिशन दिया, यू सिलेक्टेड एंड देन you're not given the role still?
बहुत बार होता है. मतलब इस इंडस्ट्री में जब तक आप कैमरा फेस नहीं कर लेते, या जब तक, मैं तो कह रही हूँ, आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज नहीं हो जाती, यू शुड नॉट कीप एनी इमोशंस अटैच्ड टू एनी ऑफ योर प्रोजेक्ट्स. हाँ, ये दिस इज माई अगेन अ लर्निंग.
ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
बहुत बार हुआ है. कितनी चीज़ें जैसे करी हैं आपने, पर सालों लग जाते हैं रिलीज. जैसे पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है 6 साल बाद. अभी मैंने जो सुरेश गोपी सर के साथ पिक्चर करी थी, उसको भी अभी 2 साल हो गए हैं. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ने प्रोड्यूस करी है. सो एवरीबडी कीप्स ऑन आस्किंग मी कब रिलीज हो रही है. मैंने कहा मैं ना प्रोड्यूसर का नंबर दे देती हूँ, उनसे डायरेक्टली पूछ लो. बिकॉज आई नो एज एन एक्टर कि हमारा काम था एक्टिंग करना. अब रिलीज करना, कब रिलीज होगी, इज नॉट इन माई हैंड्स. नीदर आई हैव अ कंट्रोल, नीदर आई हैव एन अपडेट. इफ आई हैव एन अपडेट, यू विल आल्सो हैव एन अपडेट.
So you know these last minute things can change like any time.
बहुत
इतना ऐसे volatile जैसा क्यों है ये?
ऐसी दिस इंडस्ट्री इज लाइक दैट, क्योंकि a lot of emotions people are attached. नो, बहुत सारे दिमाग काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी एनर्जीज काम कर रही हैं. किसका किस टाइम पे क्या दिमाग चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, यू नेवर नो.
कि एकदम से जिसको प्रूव किया उसको फिर रिजेक्ट करके दे जस्ट रिप्लेस समवन.
मैं भी, आई हैव आल्सो रिप्लेस सो मेनी पीपल. देयर वाज वन पिक्चर अभी जो रिलीज हो रही है, उसमें देयर सम अदर गर्ल, उसने शी गॉट जॉन्डिस आफ्टर 4 to 5 days of shoot, and then they had to continue shoot. So they got me. So I was also a replacement to somebody. It's very normal.
और आपके केस में ऐसे कब हुआ है कि you were given something and then you know?
I don't know, probably हुआ होगा, मुझे नहीं पता हो ना मेरे बाद में किस. हाँ, हुआ होगा definitely that I've given an audition, end moment तक मेरा audition गया, but then they ended up taking somebody else. बहुत बार होता है. And then you eventually, शुरू में झटके लगते हैं, but eventually you get used to it. Like no, मतलब attachment is something that they say that an actor should be the first one to master.
To master?
Attachment and detachment.
Oh, yes. So that is also another lesson. Yeah.
So right now I'm attached to you. The moment I walk out of the house, I'm detached to you. So you feel more of me, you feel connected with me, you're smiling, or you're able to ask so many questions because I've given you that liberty to be attached with my journey.
And the time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now I have to think.
No, but then हम हर कोई करता है अपनी लाइफ में, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बींग्स भी करते हैं.
But not at such a fast pace.
Not fast pace, also not with so much of intensity also, because that intensity you master as an actor.
So how easy or difficult is this
Very
attaching
difficult.
and detaching?
Very difficult.
Yeah.
आसान नहीं होता. वो शुरू में मैं जब रोने का सीन होता तो पता नहीं, मैं कोई मर गए होते थे मेरी फैमिली से, उनको सोच के रोती थी. देन मुझे किसी ने बोला नहीं, दिस इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू डू, बिकॉज देन इवेंचुअली यू विल नॉट फील व्हेन थिंग्स एक्चुअली हैपन in your life, certain things. Then I was like, makes sense. And then I started to attach myself with the emotion of the character and feel for the character and emote, rather than thinking of something from my personal life and reacting. These
Bad for your mental health.
So this is a journey that you realize, that you work on yourself. It's a lot of I think psychologically empowering things and learnings that you inculcate on day-to-day life.
So mental health is such an issue in cinema, in industry.
It's everywhere, यार.
But there I
आजकल तो Gen Z और ये new generation का I think mental health is like spoken about, always spoken about, and it's crazy what these guys are going through, to be honest. It's not easy. I recently came across a girl who was 15-16-year-old at a detox I went for. She was there with her mother. And I was given a task because I was the second youngest in the whole lot after her. So I was given the task to get her out of her comfort zone. So then I had to become her friend. So then I realized, oh, this is how they talk. But such an intelligent, smart girl. But the way, the conditioning, the kind of pressure they have is insane.
So that is the environment that we are living in.
Yes.
But this mantra can work there. Attachment and detachment.
Yes. It can work everywhere.
Yeah. So guys, you here's the mantra. And we have we got very little time.
I know how what's the time. It's one time already.
So thank you so much, Prachi.
Thank you.
We hope we meet again.
Yes, we will.
And have a gala. So but please usse pehle please tell our viewers to watch, like, share and subscribe to TDM Manthan to watch you and such podcasts.
Acha. Hi, this is Prachi Telan and I request all the viewers to watch TDM Manthan and watch all of their podcasts. I think we have a beautiful host here, and I like that you were extremely, knowledgeable about things that you wanted to discuss, and we went lot in deep कि हमें time का भी we didn't realize. So I wish you all the best, and I think let me do something more great so that we can come back and talk about it more.
That's for second part.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much, Prachi. Guys, you heard her. Please do watch, like, share, subscribe to TDM Manthan, and do watch this podcast till the end. Thank you so much for watching us.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.